AF, decoded. What does it really mean? Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the world of internet slang and abbreviations. We're discussing the term AF. If you've ever wondered what it means, stay with us for the next few minutes, and you'll become an expert. AF is an abbreviation for as F***. It originates from the internet and is commonly used in informal conversations, especially on social media. It's a way to emphasize or intensify the adjective it follows. When using AF, remember it's meant to intensify the preceding adjective. Here are some examples. 1. Tired AF. This means very tired. 2. Cold AF. This means extremely cold. 3. Happy AF. This means very happy. It's important to note that while AF is popular in informal contexts, it's not suitable for formal situations due to its origin. While AF originates from a written form of slang, it can also be spoken. In spoken form, it's usually pronounced as the individual letters, AF. When writing, it's commonly in uppercase, but you may also come across its lowercase version, AF, especially in texts or chats. 1. Cultural context. Not everyone might be familiar with the term, especially those not immersed in internet culture or English online slang. So, be mindful when using it. 2. Formality. As mentioned earlier, AF is informal. It's not suitable for formal emails, official documents, or professional settings. 3. Potential offensiveness. Given its full meaning, some people might find the term inappropriate or offensive. Always consider your audience. That wraps up our exploration of AF. Now, you're not only familiar with its meaning but also know how to use it appropriately. Remember, language is dynamic and ever-evolving, and it's fun to stay updated with new terms. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.